Experience, where we, from the ground up, we completely design, build, and race a small off-road, one-seater off-road vehicle. We start with a frame like this, and little by little we put more parts on it. You have a fully functioning race car, which we take to competitions in the spring and May, all across America, everywhere from Maryland all the way out to Oregon and everywhere in between. So a lot of blood, sweat, and tears goes into making this car. Everything is hand fit and made by students right here at the University of Rochester, and we're really proud of all the work that we do and looking forward to this coming season in May.
My name is Kevin Martin. I am the chief engineer for the Baja SAE team at the University of Rochester. My main job is to make sure that the system integration of the car is being done correctly, making sure that all the PTLs are doing progress in their design, and making sure that the system interfaces are done correctly so that we don't run into any interferences.
Hi, I'm Bill Baruso. I'm a senior. I study optical engineering, and I'm the chief mechanic on the Baja SAE team here at U of R. Most of what I do is setting the schedule for our manufacturing timeline and approving parts for manufacturability and maintaining the shop space we have. So what that involves is whenever a design head comes up with a drawing or a CAD model, then they make their engineering drawing of it. After the chief engineer looks at it to make sure that the design is sound, I look at it to make sure that it can actually be manufactured. In addition to that, I maintain the shop space we have, so that involves keeping everything clean, making sure we have enough supplies of metal, bolts, etc., and making sure that everyone's using the machines properly. So a lot of what I do in the in the fall, is getting people training on the machines so that they know how to use them without, first of all, hurting themselves, which is the most important thing, but second of all, not breaking anything.
I'm the electronics PTL for the UR Baja SAE team. I'm responsible for data acquisition, which we use to complete the engineering cycle to make sure that the models that we're generating actually fit the real world. We're seeing what kind of stresses and forces we're experiencing while the car goes over obstacles. We're doing Hall effect sensor testing to get a tachometer and a speedometer so we can figure out how fast we're going at different points. We're doing acceleration testing, so we're seeing how shifts in our drivetrain are affecting our acceleration time so we can optimize stuff like that. Those are the big three things that we're working on.
I am the usability PTL for the University of Rochester Baja SAE team. I am in charge of the system that integrates the driver and the car. So everything that involves the brakes, the seat, steering wheel, and also safety of the driver.
My name's Noah Myers. I'm the suspension project team lead for the Baja team. My responsibility is to make sure that the frame doesn't break. I'm also responsible for the handling of the vehicle over all obstacles, and I'm responsible for the cornering and steering of the car. Basically anything that comes outside the frame and that allows the car to steer and jump over things, that's all of what I do.